Hi, I'm Ramon.
I'm Quinn. Hi.
Hi, I'm Ned.
We're gonna make some
Your grandma.
Oh, Lerma.
correction. Grandma, she's grandma.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
What are we gonna make today, Quinn?
Fruit salad.
Yay!
Fruit salad.
Fruit
You're gonna help us.
salad.
Here are the ingredients. Some of them.
Yeah.
Pineapple gel and syrup. What is this?
Fruit cocktail.
Say fruit cocktail.
Say fruit cocktail.
Fruit cocktail.
Yes, very good.
And we have some
Condensed milk.
condensed milk. And we have some table cream.
Table cream.
And what kind of cheddar cheese is this?
You can have American or
Yeah.
American cheddar cheese.
Cheese.
Or-
All right, let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay.
You can stir. Slowly.
Slowly. Mix it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't do it.
Yeah, use two hands. I'm gonna help you. You know, you can just move it also. You don't have to be stirring it like this. Look. Just go like that.
Yeah, like that.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, so much. Wow.
Wow. And then we're gonna put the salad. There. Fruit cocktail. Gonna be heavy, okay?
You probably have to do that for her.
Oh, careful. Yeah. Slowly. Yay. I know.
You can do it, Grandpa.
I can do it. Yeah.
Woo! Wow.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. See, you can do like this. See? Wanna try?
You guys put the cheese in there already?
Yes. Yeah, remember? Yeah. So like this. Yeah. Okay. Slowly. Yeah. Like that. Slowly.
Wow.
Wow, you made the fruit salad. Yay. Wow.
Hey.
Let's go eat, you and me. We're gonna taste it.
You
have to sit down here. Huh?
Oh,
Oh, he wants to. She wants to taste it.
Put it
She
on a
wants
spoon.
to.
Don't let her put her finger in there.
Yeah.
Put it on a spoon
Put a
or a little cup, and then let her taste it.
Okay, we're gonna taste it.
Quinn's gonna taste it. We're gonna put it on a spoon
Okay,
for you.
okay. So, take video, honey. Taste it, taste it.
Honey, you need to help her.
Okay. You want the cherries? Mm.
I love it.
You like it? Very good. Wow.
You can do it.
You can do it. I can do it. You can do it. And then we're gonna
Yeah.
we can chill it, you know.
This is mine.
This is mine.
And this is mine.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Yummy. Is it yummy?
So what do you think, Quinn?
Okay.
You like it?
That's cheese.
It's because of your stirring that it came out good.
Oh,
You're the best stirrer in the world.
You're the best helper.
That's why it came out good.
I need a bunch of cherries. Oh, there's something.
You see one?
Yeah, I see one.
Where?
In the bottom. See? I told you.
Oh yeah.
Let's get it. Let's sing.
Okay, now we're gonna say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, Grandma.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Don't forget to click, say click and subscribe to my grandpa's channel.
Bye.
Bye, she's shy.